I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss.
Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Kelly. In this Clean With Me video, I am cleaning all over the house. I do not waste any time getting things done. I want to start my work week off on the right foot. You are going to see a ton of real messes around my house. We have a very busy family and our daily cleaning routines get lost somewhere in the hustle. Anyways, thank you for being here. I hope you and your loved ones are well.
And now I know it's been so very long, 'cause it's been forever since I felt anything. So watch out when love gets a hold on you. You can't go back. Are you there for always and forever? I know we'd be together. I didn't know I'd be on this road with you a long time ago. Wouldn't dare to dream about us two. And now I know I'm glad it didn't take me forever. And now I know what love can do. So watch out when love gets a hold on you. You can't go back. That's right. Now when I found you, I can't let you out of my sight. Don't go. My heart and my soul have finally come alive. So now I'm all yours. The flowers in my hair, I'm waiting for you there for always and forever. I know we'd be together. The flowers in my hair, I'm waiting for you there for always and forever. I know we'd be together.
This floor was filthy, and sometimes messes require elbow grease and cleaning on hands and knees, rather than all the fancy new products.
No need to look back, this too shall pass. I want you to stay around. I tried so hard to see what holds you back. You don't have to be alone. And if you don't know by now, it's all in your
Oh my goodness, this laundry. Please tell me you are with me on this. If I were to show you all of the laundry I had to fold on a daily basis, we'd be here all day.
clouds tumbling down. I'll try to pick you up. I know time will tell you why. The sun will shine again tomorrow for you.
I would appreciate it if you would hit that like and subscribe button to let me know you are here with me to the end. Thank you truly, and take care.